Welcome back. In this example, we will see how we can sort the data on the basis of the custom list. Let's understand what the custom list is all about. For example, if I want to sort this table on the basis of agent name, then this will be our default sort option. But what I want to sort this table with this format. This is not possible with the ordinary sort option. So I will have to use the custom list option. For that, I will have to select my entire table. So I will press Ctrl A. After that, I'll press Alt DS. This sort on option will be displayed. Here, first I'll select my header has data option. And after that, I will have to select the column I want to apply the sort. This is the agent name. And now I will come to the order tab, and from here I will select the custom list. The custom list will be displayed. First I will check whether my custom list is available in this list or not. If it is available, then I can simply select my list. If my custom list is not available, then I will have to create the list. So I can create all my entries one by one, and after that I can click on add option. Once I click on the add option, then my list will be available here. Just like this example, my list is already available. So I'll select it and these items will be displayed. And after that, I can click OK. You can see that on the order tab, we have selected our custom list. Now I will click OK. And we can see that I have sorted the table on the basis of the custom list given here. This is how we can utilize the custom list options to sort our table. Welcome back. We have already discussed the custom list in the previous lecture. Now, in this lecture, we will discuss one more example of the custom list. In this table, I want to sort the data on the basis of the month column. If I apply the ordinary sort option, then my data will be sorted in this order. But what I want to sort this data in this order, which is logically correct. So let's see how we can sort the data in this format. First, I will select my entire table. I will press Alt DS. This sort on option will be displayed. Here I will select my month column. And in order tab, I'll select the custom list. And here I can select my order and press OK. So I have selected my desired order in which I want to sort this table. After that, I'll click OK. And we can see that we have sorted this table on the basis of this order. Custom list is very useful for such kind of data where we want to apply the sort on month, weekends, weekdays, or sometimes on year as well. Thanks for watching this video.